Picture this. Someone just handed you a coffee. You want to say thanks, but you hesitate. Do you smile? Nod? Let me help. First, the word you need is Shokran. It means thank you. Repeat after me. Shokran one more time. Shokran, shokran.
Shokran, 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 shokran.
And if someone says shukran to you, you reply with afwan. It means you're welcome. Repeat after me. Afwan. One more time. Afwan, 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 afwan. And now you're ready. Next time someone hands you a coffee, opens a door for you, or helps you find your way in Egypt, you won't hesitate. You'll smile, look them in the eye, and say it with confidence. Shukran. And when you hear shukran coming your way, you'll know exactly how to reply. Afwan. Because these aren't just words. They're little bridges connecting you to people one thank you at a time. Tomorrow, we'll unlock another bridge